Moikka! Today, let's make some whimsy teacups that you can use to decorate your journal or as journaling cards. I am Mari from Taika Journals. Welcome to my channel. Let's start with the drawing. You can start by doing some cup shapes, and they do not have to be symmetrical. They can be any kind of cups you like. All kinds of different shapes can be used to the cups. The wonkier, the better, I think. It's so much fun to do whimsical stuff because they don't have to be exact. And you can put a plate also if you want to the cup. Like so, all kinds of different cups you can draw. And don't stress about it. And next you can draw some tea bags that you can put hanging from your cup. And you can draw different kind of tea bags, round and hearts. And these do not have to be symmetrical either. We are having fun with drawing, like so. Today I will be using these already made prints that I made with Procreate digital drawing program, because I will be selling these on my Etsy shop if somebody wants to paint and decorate these ready-made versions. And I will be using these watercolors for the base layer. First, I will brush some water and then I will add the watercolor and I will let it spread wherever it goes. Just some watercolor drops here and there. And you can also leave some white parts if you want. Look at the way it spreads. I think this is beautiful. And even if it goes over the line, it doesn't matter because I will cut these when I use these. Like so. And I will use the same technique for the rest of the cups. Let's start the coloring fun. pretty lovely. Now I will let these dry, and next I will do the same thing with the tea bag tags. Now the painting part is done, and I think these are beautiful. A bit messy, but beautiful. And now I will do some decorations intuitively, and I will add the decorations wherever I feel like. For example, over here, and then I will go to here, and whenever the idea pops into my head, I will do that. So not a cup at a time. Of course you can do that too, but this is the way I will do it now. Yes, and I will use different markers. Okay, the decorating is done, and the next step is optional. You can use some colored pencils to make the shadow for the insides of the cup. Just a gentle little shadow. Like so. And I think this is nicer this way. Now I will do the rest of the cups, and then let's move on to the next phase. The cups are now ready, and next I will be cutting the little tags for the cups and then decide what to use where. Now the tags are dry, and next I will add some little markings to the tags. And next let's finish the cups and put some strings to the tea tags. There, I think we are done. I really love to do this. This was a fun project. How would you decorate your own teacups? And if you want to paint and decorate these specific cups, this pack is now for sale as a digital print on my Etsy shop. And there comes the blanco version of the cups and the tags. And then this decorated version is also included in the pack. And I will scan this and clean the edges a bit digitally. But yes, I wish you many happy crafting and art journaling moments. Kiitos katsomisesta ja oikein mukavaa viikkoa kaikille.